Yeah, in this video I'm in the Range Rover. You see here all 4 lights for height adjustment tells me that that's something wrong. Nothing is working. And I put on the analytic to check it. I read out and it didn't give me any error message of the height system. And this one are so smart that it can do the job of sending signal for raise and lower and everything. Nothing's happening. It's just the same problem. It's just stand there. Let's see here. This one is ruined too. I have to try to fix that. But I bought a new relay that's supposed to be in the back of the car. So I just have to see if this one can fix this problem for me. Because I have no indication that anything is wrong. But it's kind of stupid if this don't tell me it's wrong and this is ruined. So I'm not sure. Just have to test and see. I have to put on some diesel. They say if it's the relay, that is supposed to be a simple thing. Because the relay for up and down is supposed to be the one here, big one. So I'm just hoping, could it be that simple? I was trying to test it on a relay tester I bought, but these connectors are too big, so I couldn't go in the relay tester. So just put it in a new one. There, a new relay. There. Yeah, back in the car, just seeing what's happening now. Everything started flashing and the car was trying to lift up and do things. Low hill. It's more or less like I can hear that the pump is going in the back. And now I'm locked in low gear. Why? Yeah, I filled up with 4.5-5 liter of diesel, and the light for diesel is still lighting up, so I'm not sure how much I need. There it jumped out. And the light for low transmission setup is also jumped out, so I'm not sure what's happening with this car. Now this light just stand flashing. And no indication whatsoever that is something wrong with the height when I'm trying to look for error message with my X tool. Because nothing is working. Don't go up, don't go down. So please, if someone have some ideas here, I seriously need some ideas. I know I bought this car because I would like to learn something new, so I can't cry over it, but it's kind of why? Why couldn't it be just easier? But it's not. And I know it shouldn't be winding. So yeah. Just please, if someone knows where I should start looking now, then please just tell me.